Best AI side hustles in 2026. Make money online with AI. Have you ever wondered what the best AI side hustles are in 2026? It seems like everywhere you look, people are talking about artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, automation, AI tools, and making money online. But here's the problem. Most people are overwhelmed. One person tells you to start a YouTube channel. Another says build an AI agency. Someone else says sell prompts. Another person says become a freelancer. And before you know it, you're watching videos all day and never actually taking action. So in today's video, I'm going to break down some of the best AI side hustles available right now, especially for beginners. These are opportunities that don't require a huge investment, don't require years of experience, and can often be started directly from your phone or laptop. We'll cover AI affiliate marketing, faceless content creation, YouTube automation, AI-powered freelancing, digital products, content repurposing, and more. And make sure you watch until the end because I'll show you the AI side hustle I personally think offers one of the best opportunities for beginners right now. Before we get started, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because I post new videos every week about AI, affiliate marketing, faceless content, and making money online. Also, if you'd like access to my #1 recommended system, check the first pinned comment below. Inside, you'll find Daily Income Method, which includes training, tools, and access to over 100,000 viral video clips you can use for your own content creation. And if you'd like to create faceless videos faster, I also have a Syllaby discount link there as well. Let's jump in. The first AI side hustle is AI affiliate marketing. This is personally one of my favorite opportunities because you don't need to create your own product. You don't need inventory. You don't need customer support. You don't need shipping. Your job is simply connecting people with products or services that solve problems. That's it. When someone buys through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Now here's where AI becomes powerful. Instead of spending hours creating content, AI can help generate ideas, outlines, scripts, titles, descriptions, and content calendars. This dramatically speeds up the process. In fact, some affiliate opportunities pay commissions of up to $200 per sale. That means you don't need hundreds of sales to see meaningful results. A few commissions can make a significant difference. And that's one reason I recommend checking out Daily Income Method in the pinned comment below. Now let's move on to another powerful AI side hustle, faceless content creation. This opportunity has exploded over the last few years. Why? Because people are realizing they don't need to become influencers. They don't need to show their face. They don't need expensive cameras. They don't need a fancy studio. Instead, they can create content using stock footage, AI visuals, slideshows, screen recordings, educational graphics, and voiceovers. Many successful channels never show the creator's face, and that's one reason faceless content continues growing. You can create videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, Pinterest, and multiple other platforms. The best part is that one piece of content can be repurposed across multiple platforms. Create it once, post it everywhere. That's a powerful strategy. Now let's talk about YouTube automation. This is another AI side hustle that continues attracting attention. YouTube automation doesn't mean pressing a button and making money automatically. What it means is using systems, tools, and AI to make content creation more efficient. For example, AI can help generate content ideas. AI can help create scripts. AI can help generate thumbnails. AI can help create voiceovers. AI can help edit videos. And AI can help produce content faster than ever before. The goal isn't to eliminate effort. The goal is to increase productivity. That's why YouTube automation continues growing. One successful video can continue generating traffic for months or even years, and every upload becomes another digital asset. Now let's discuss AI-powered freelancing. Many people overlook this opportunity. Businesses need content. Businesses need ideas. Businesses need marketing. Businesses need help using AI tools. You can offer services such as content creation, script writing, blog writing, email creation, video planning, AI consulting, prompt creation, marketing assistance, and much more. The beautiful thing about freelancing is you can get paid relatively quickly. Instead of waiting for traffic and commissions, you're providing a service directly to a client. Now let's talk about AI blogging. Some people assume blogging is dead. It's not. People still search Google every single day. They search for reviews, tutorials, comparisons, product recommendations, how-to guides, educational content, and more. AI can help speed up the content creation process. You still need quality, you still need value, but AI can dramatically reduce the amount of time required to create articles. And when those articles rank, they can generate traffic for years. That traffic can then be monetized through affiliate marketing, display ads, sponsorships, and digital products. Now let's discuss digital products. This is one of the most scalable opportunities available. You can create guides, templates, prompt packs, checklists, workbooks, courses, communities, spreadsheets, resources, and other digital assets. The advantage is that you create them once and sell them repeatedly. AI can help brainstorm ideas, generate content, improve copy, and speed up development. Now let's talk about another underrated AI side hustle: content repurposing. Many creators produce long-form content, but they don't have time to turn it into shorts, TikToks, reels, and clips. That's where opportunity exists. You can help creators repurpose content. One long video can become multiple pieces of content, and many creators are willing to pay for that service. As short-form content continues growing, the demand for repurposing services continues increasing. Now let's discuss a mistake many beginners make. They spend too much time researching and not enough time executing. They watch videos for months, read articles for months, compare opportunities for months, and never start. Action creates results, not research. Research is important, but eventually you need to choose a direction. No opportunity works if you never take action. Another common mistake is chasing shiny objects. One week they're doing affiliate marketing, the next week they're doing crypto, then drop shipping, then freelancing, then YouTube, then blogging, then AI agencies. Instead of mastering one skill, they constantly switch. The people who succeed usually focus. They pick one opportunity, they stay consistent, and they improve over time. Now let's talk about why AI has changed the game. Just a few years ago, creating content required significant time. Researching, writing, editing, planning, brainstorming, and production. Today, AI can help with almost every step. Need ideas? AI can help. Need scripts? AI can help. Need outlines? AI can help. Need titles? AI can help. Need descriptions? AI can help. Need content calendars? AI can help. This means individuals can accomplish far more than before. That's why AI side hustles are growing so quickly. The barrier to entry is lower than ever. Now let's revisit faceless content for a moment. One reason I like faceless content is because it removes excuses. You don't need perfect lighting. You don't need confidence on camera. You don't need expensive equipment. You can start with simple content: educational slides, screen recordings, AI-generated visuals, voiceovers, and tutorials. In fact, many successful channels started with extremely simple videos. They improved over time. That's an important lesson. You don't need perfection, you need momentum. Momentum creates results. Now let's discuss consistency. This is where most people fail. Not because the opportunity doesn't work, not because AI doesn't work, not because affiliate marketing doesn't work. They fail because they stop. They post for a week, nothing happens. They post for 2 weeks, nothing happens. Then they quit. The reality is that online businesses often take time. Content compounds, skills improve, audiences grow, traffic increases, and eventually results begin to appear. The people who stay consistent usually have the best chance of success. Now let's talk about what I personally believe is one of the best opportunities for beginners. AI affiliate marketing combined with faceless content. Why? Because it combines multiple advantages: low startup costs, scalability, no inventory, no customer support, no product creation, the ability to leverage AI, and the ability to create content without showing your face. That's a powerful combination. And if you'd like to learn more about that model, I highly recommend checking out Daily Income Method in the pinned comment below. You'll also get access to over 100,000 viral clips that can help speed up your content creation process. And if you're interested in creating faceless videos faster, don't forget to check out the Syllaby discount link there as well. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap. The best AI side hustles in 2026 include AI affiliate marketing, faceless content creation, YouTube automation, AI-powered freelancing, AI blogging, digital products, and content repurposing. Each opportunity has advantages. Each opportunity has challenges. But the most important thing is choosing one and taking action. Don't spend the next 6 months researching. Start, learn, improve, adjust, and keep moving forward. The tools are available, the opportunities are real, and the barriers to entry have never been lower. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Which AI side hustle are you most interested in? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.